Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of where I'm gonna be catching and finding animals, and I'm gonna show you my animals, my actual animals. So first, let's go see my animals. There are two really big snails. Well, they're not like huge, but they're pretty big. And I've been doing a lot of research, but I can't find out what kind of snail they are. So they live in this bucket. And then I have this net here. I'll show you Football first. Football is my biggest. So this is Football. And he's really, really big. He's my biggest. When I first got him, I thought it was like, you know those little footballs that little kids use? I thought it was one of those chopped in half. So that's where I got the name Football. And then I have another snail named Champ. And she is just a little bit smaller.
He's moving, Chelsea.
Right here. And where I got the name Champ, first I got Football in just like a local pond or something. And that's where I got the name. Then my sister wanted to catch all the other snails that I spot. And this was one of the ones that she caught. And she gave it to me because it was the smallest one that we caught. And it was just like a champ. I just thought of the name Champ just like that. And then I have, well, that's all the animals I have right now. But I'm definitely gonna get more. And I have a trail surrounding my whole house. So, and I also have like a little tiny one of those pool ponds at the back of my house that's where my sister keeps her snails, but it's really hard to find them because we painted the whole pond. We painted it all brown. So, and they're like brownish, blackish. I really don't know, guys, but yeah. And I have a big yard. The grass part isn't that big, but the overside is huge. And me and my sister and my dad ride around this trail with our quads. That's how we actually made the trail, with the quads just riding around it. It cleared all the leaves out. And the pond is over there. You can't really see it because it's brown. We wanted to make it look as natural as possible. So it's right there. The birds have been like kind of scraping it. Wait, is that ice on it? That's ice. It's like, it's December. I think it's December 10th, and there's already ice in these ponds. It's like crazy. We got the snails like 2 months ago, and I had to literally go in the pond to get the snails. And it was freezing. So now I'm just gonna hold it like this the whole ride around. And when we get more like over that way, there's a rock. There's like a big rock thing where I could try to find salamanders and caterpillars and stuff like that. Okay. So this is the end of my video, guys. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Bye.